Oh, that's practice, false positives, false negatives, and all about the babies. Suppose a radiologist has an average accuracy prediction rate of 90% for male babies and 88% for female babies. If this radiologist reviews first trimester ultrasounds for babies at a hospital where 50% are male and 50% are female, what is the expected outcome for 1,000 babies? All right, so what do we know? We know that 50% are male, 50% are female. We have accuracy rate of prediction slightly different for males and females. Okay, so let's start with the total column all the way here on the right. Now, if 50% of the 1,000 are males, okay, so 0.5 times 1,000 gives us 500. Now, this is pretty easy because it's 50% for both, so both, 500 male, 500 female babies. Now we go to prediction rate. So first, let's start with males. 90% of the 500 baby boys, baby males, are predicted correctly. So that means 0.9 times 500 gives us 450 predicted male babies. Now, out of the 500 born male, 450 were predicted as so, and that means 50 would be predicted female. I don't think that's right. Yep, yes, it works. Okay, so then let's go to females. We have an 88% accuracy rate. So 88% of the 500 babies were accurately predicted. So 0.88 times 500 gives me 440. So that means 60, right? Because 500 minus 440 gives me 60 were predicted incorrectly. So now if I add, I have 510 babies were predicted as male and 490 were predicted as female. So that's our table. Okay, so given a male prediction, so this is total male prediction, what is probability the baby was actually a female? Okay, so total male prediction, 510, actually female, 60. So that gives me 0.1176, which is roughly 11.8%. So 11.8% of predicted male babies will end up being female in this particular hospital based off that data. Given a female prediction, so now we are doing the total of predicted female, what is probability the baby was actually a male? Okay, so now we're looking at this column. So total predicted female is 490, actually male is 50, and we end up with 0.1020, which is 10.2%. So 10.2% of predicted females will end up being born male. So about 1 in every 10. Given that the baby is a male, so now we're looking at total males. What is probability that the radiologist predicted? So now we're looking at predicted male. So we're looking at total male. So now we're looking at this row here. So 500 and predicted would be 450. Now that gives us 0.9, which is 90%. And if you'll recall from the beginning, that is the accuracy rate. So that should make complete sense because we're talking about accuracy rate of if we predict it's male and it's actually male, that's what we're talking about. False positives, false negatives, playing with babies.